The next state that we're going to look at is the help and the get help states. They kind of work in conjunction and separately, but the get help is actually going to be one that's asking for help from an object inside of the scene. So if we look down at the get help state, we can see that we have a get help from tagged objects and a help radius, how far around. So let's go ahead and bump this one up to 50 just to make sure we cover the range. And for the tagged objects, let's go ahead and just set this to our respawn that we're defaulting with. So this character is going to be asking for help. Now what we need to do is set up a second character that will be providing help. So we're just going to copy this one over. We'll scroll back down. We'll make sure that our get help isn't one that we're using because he doesn't need to get help. He simply wants to give help. So we'll check on his help options, and in the help state we can see that we're within a help point distance of 1, which is just fine. And once he arrives, and in fact we'll actually set that out just a little bit, we'll go 3. And a state when the help point is reached, what do we want him to do? So once he gets to that position, we could have him do a number of things, from begin attacking an object in the scene, or simply just idling by and watching the action happen. So we'll have him idle. Okay, that gets that set up. The one thing we need to do is make sure that the object that's going to be giving the help is tagged properly. So we're going to say respawn there. And that should have our scene set up just right. Let's make sure that our character's initial starting states are right. We'll start this one at an idle, so he's simply waiting there. And this one we're going to start him at getting help. So let's play it out and see how it works. So there he goes, he's waving, he's saying, I need help. The other guy moves in to within about 3 distance from him, and he gets his help. Okay, that's going to do it for our get help state.